Hey, what's happening everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Ranj and I hope you're all doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you've been rocking with me for a minute, thank you. I appreciate you massively. So like I said in my previous video, I did try say that I would split this video up, even though my initial plan was to kind of, merge them together. The reason why I split them up is just because for some people they won't, go ahead and clean their air filter out when they're doing an oil service. So I thought I'd keep it as two separate videos, and yeah, hope it's helpful. This is super easy, super simple, but it's just to show you that it's always worth checking on things and checking the condition, because I thought, oh, my air filter, my air filter's not going to be that dirty and blah blah blah, but trust me, it was. And one thing I'm just going to quickly touch on is why didn't, a lot of people might be asking, why didn't you just get a new foam filter? Because I have a foam R600 filter. Why didn't you just get a new one? Why didn't you opt in for the cotton filter? So just to quickly answer those questions, because I don't want to kind of come across like I'm trying to cut costs, even though I am very savvy when it comes to spending money in my car, or I like to be, in, rightfully so. So one, why didn't I get a new foam filter? Is because if you service and maintain your foam filter, there's no issues with it, and it should last you a very long time. I've cleaned mine and it looks brand new. Literally like the day I got it, and that's not an exaggeration. I'm not trying to sell you these products because I'm not going to gain anything on them anyway. But yeah, trust me, it's more than capable as long as you service it and maintain it. Secondly, why didn't you get the cotton air filter? So when I actually bought the R600, one of the things that I wanted straight away was a cotton air filter, because it's more premium, or it's it's supposed to be. The guy who I bought it off basically said that it's more of a maintenance thing. A lot of people say that the foam disintegrates and it can kind of go into your turbo and intake and stuff like that. That is the case if you don't look after it and you batter your car. One, I don't really batter my car that much, and plus I have just serviced it on time. But with the cotton air filters, apparently they're not as good as performing as the foam air filters in terms of actually how much how much cold air they're bringing in. And I think I did some research at the time, and I think that was the case. But yeah, that's the reason why I didn't opt in for the cotton air filter, and the reason why I haven't just bought a brand new foam filter, because it'd be a waste of money. And these products that essentially are designed to clean foam air filters have done an absolutely amazing job. So just to quickly get those questions out there, yeah, I thought it'd be useful. Let's just get straight into this video, and I'll quickly talk you through the process of what you'll need to do to basically clean your foam air filter, whether it's from Pipercross, RacingLine, or wherever it's from. It's pretty much the same process. Pleased with that. So what I've done is just basically give this a clean. Well, just sprayed it first with some water. Now what I'll do is just basically use a microfiber cloth and just, yeah, clean it up really. Here we have it, all clean. Hopefully you remember what it looked like before, because it did not look like this, I can assure you. Nice and dry. It's been dry for a little while. I did probably speed up the drying process a little bit by just using a blower. But here we go. This is the air filter dirt protection additive. We're just going to spray it evenly, and any excess oil you just wipe away as per the instructions. So what I'll do is I'll start from the top, give it a spray. Oh wow. I hope it has been helpful. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that bell icon for future notification, and yeah, carry on supporting. Follow me on my social media platforms if you can. I would highly appreciate that. Yep, I think for the most part that is all good. I heard some whooshes, which is always good here.